Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to crochet this very easy pinstripe blanket. It just consists of 5 rows of a solid color and then 1 row of contrasting color, and they're all done in the same stitch. So it's just the same pebble stitch throughout the blanket. So let's get started. I post videos on Tuesdays and Fridays. You can slow down the videos by clicking the gear icon below the video. You can find all my patterns in my Ravelry store, over 2,000 patterns, and many of them are free. Or on Etsy, HectaFavorites is my shop name there, and I have approximately 700 patterns. To make this easy blanket, I'm working with Bernat blanket yarn and a 9mm crochet hook. An equivalent to the Bernat blanket would be 3 strands of any worsted weight yarn. You're going to start with chain 106, or you can chain any number that you would like in an even number. So start with your foundation chain in the number that you would like. When you have your foundation chain the correct length, you're going to single crochet in the second stitch from the hook, single crochet, double crochet in the next stitch, yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2. And you're going to alternate across the row, single, double. So single crochet in the next stitch, double crochet in the next stitch. You're going to repeat that all the way across the row. Single, double. And your last stitch will be a single crochet. And this is the pebble stitch. At the end of the row, chain 3 and turn. 1, 2, 3. And we're working the pebble stitch, and that means a single crochet in the double crochet of the previous row and a double crochet in the single crochet of the previous row. So this takes the place of the first double crochet because that was a single. So now I'm going to make a single crochet in the next stitch. And then I'm going to make a double crochet in the next stitch, which is a single. So double crochet, single crochet in the next stitch, double crochet in the next, single, and double. So now this was a double. I'm going to chain 1 and turn, and I'm going to single crochet in that very first stitch. And this was a single crochet, so I'm going to make a double crochet in that stitch. Single crochet in the next, double crochet in the next, single, double, and single in the last stitch, like that. And you'll just keep repeating those 2 rows, always working a single crochet in the double crochet of the previous row and a double crochet in the single crochet of the previous row in this color, and then add a contrasting color. Or you could make your blanket all in the same color. And that's how easy it is to crochet this pinstripe blanket. I'll put a link below where you can go and get the printed pattern. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.